Hey guys, if you're working from home, I want to give you some easy tips on how to work from home and how to do it effectively, how to stay focused and how to get things done the right way. So, step number one. Now, you have to differentiate your workspace from your personal space. Now, what's more effective? Sitting on the couch making phone calls or sitting at a desk making phone calls? Quite naturally, sitting at a desk is more effective. So if you have a room in your house, a closet, a kitchen, a bedroom, or whatever, find that room and make that room your workspace. So that way it's your space and it's not the same space as your bedroom or your living room, all right? Now, step number two, you have to invest in technology. If you're gonna work from home and do it effectively, you have to have a computer or a laptop. You have to have the internet. You should at least have a phone, whether it's a cell phone or invest in an actual house phone so you can make phone calls and do it the right way, okay? The third step is put on some clothes. Put your clothes on, yeah. I'm dressed up business casual today in my house today. I want the same feel as if I'm going to work, not going downstairs to lounge on the couch. So quite naturally, if you're gonna have on pajamas or if you're gonna have on house shoes, you're not gonna feel led to go and work downstairs or work effectively in your business. So you have to have on some actual casual clothes. Ladies, not necessarily heels, whatever, but something casual. Work as if you're gonna actually go to work. Men, put on actual slacks in a top or like a suit tie or whatever. Not really a suit tie, but put on like a collar shirt. So you're getting the feel of feeling how it feels to work from home and do it effectively also too. Now, step number 4, guys, you wanna draft a daily game plan. That's right. You have to have a to-do list. I have an agenda. And I'm always writing down my to-do list. What I want to do, how I want to do it, and when I finish what I have to do, I draw a line through it. I mark it off because it's very important to me. So what is the priority of your day? How are you going to game plan your day? You have a game plan for every single day so your business is actually growing effectively and you're not actually all over the place. All right? Now, step number 5, invest in a planner. An agenda book of some sort. Now, my business allows me to be able to have a really cool agenda book. It is day to day, it's month to month, it's week to week. I'm able to organize all of my appointments in my book. I can write my notes in my book. I can look at my notes and tell what's going on, what happened yesterday. So you want to have an effective planner in front of you so as you're working from home or you're making phone calls, it's all in the planner, all right? Now, step number 6, you have to create a lunch break. Yes, a lunch break. We have to eat. So the same as if you work on your job and they gave you a 30-minute or 1-hour lunch break, where in this case, you own your own business. You're working from home. So you want to create a lunch break for yourself, whether it's 1 hour, so 12 to 1 o'clock, for example. Create a lunch break for yourself. Now, I'm looking over to my left because my son is inside of my printer. He's taking out all my paper on my printer. All right, so this is me being mom, working from home with a little 20-month-old son, all right? I have to create a lunch break. Now, I don't cook during the daytime. I try not to. If I do warm up my food for my lunch break, I'm either gonna make it the day before or the morning before. So make sure that your lunch break is very effective for you. And if you have to, leave the house. Leave your workspace. Go somewhere and have a lunch break with a friend or a colleague or a client to get out of your workspace, all right? Now, step number 7 is take a break every 1 to 2 hours. If you're sitting at a desk all day, your legs will get crampy, you can get really tired, you can get really lazy, there's no blood flowing. So you want to take a break. Get up, stand up, stretch around a little bit, walk around, go outside, get some fresh air, get some sunlight. Now when I make my phone calls here at the house, I'm standing up all the time. I don't like making phone calls sitting down. It makes me lazy. I don't feel like too excited and too energetic. When I'm up making phone calls, I get excited, my energy is flowing, my blood is flowing. And it puts me in a different mindset. So hope those tips were very, very helpful for you guys. But the most important tip of everything, when you work from home, eliminate the distractions. There's always gonna be so many distractions. Phone calls, people, the gardener, noise, a baby, for example. Now, I want you guys to tune into my next video I'm gonna be posting up really soon. I'm gonna show you how to work from home with a 20-month-old kid or a baby, for example, because that's on a whole nother level, as you can hear, all right? So I hope this information was very helpful to you guys, and you can work from home effectively in 2020 in the new year. Get it done, and get it done the right way. All right.